The Apollo program was initiated by President John F. Kennedy in 1961 as a response to the Soviet Union's early successes in space exploration, including the launch of the first satellite, Sputnik, in 1957. Apollo 1 was the first manned mission in the program, but it ended in tragedy when a fire broke out during a launch rehearsal, killing all 3 astronauts aboard. Apollo 11 was the first manned mission to successfully land on the moon, with astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin becoming the first humans to walk on the lunar surface. Apollo 13 launched on April 11, 1970, but an oxygen tank exploded 2 days later, putting the crew's lives at risk. However, NASA's ground crew and the astronauts worked together to safely return to Earth. The scientists at NASA weren't particularly sure if there were other life forms that existed on the moon. Fearing the spread of an unknown moon-borne disease, the Apollo 11 crew members were quarantined for 3 weeks to avoid potential outbreaks of moon germs that they were uncertain of. While spending time on the moon's surface during the Apollo mission, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin noticed that the moon's dust had a distinct smell. Armstrong described it as similar to wet ashes, while Aldrin compared it to the strong and pungent odor of spent gunpowder. Apollo 14, launched in January 1971, was the first mission to carry a color television camera to the moon. During Apollo 11, symbols representing humanity were left behind on the moon, including a plaque with the message, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon July 1969 AD, we came in peace for all mankind," engraved on it. Wernher von Braun, a former Nazi engineer, designed the Saturn V, the rocket of the Apollo project that sent men to the moon. Armstrong walked on the moon 6 hours and 39 minutes after landing, but before that, he and Aldrin checked all the systems and components thoroughly to ensure their success and safe return.